In this video we will get the Wi-Fi password. So subprocess library we are going to import. Let's make a data variable and I am going to call subprocess dot check output. Okay, and here I am going to make a list of netsh wlan show, okay, and profiles. Okay, so here we will be using the decoding as UTF-8. Let's put here UTF-8. Okay, and we'll split it with the next line. Okay, /n. Okay, so now let's make a profiles variable, and here I'm going to put i.split. okay, let's put a colon 1, and here I'm going to put 1 as the start and -1 as the stop index for I in data if all user profile in I. Okay, now we'll make a for statement for I in profile. Okay, let's make results variable, and here we'll do the same thing as above. Subprocess, okay, dot check output underscore output. Okay, we'll make the list here as netsh wlan show profiles. Okay, and one more as I, and here we will be putting a key equals clear. Okay, so here also we will be putting the decoding. Okay, let's put the decoding as UTF-8. Okay, decoding UTF-8, and we'll split it with the next line, split /n for next line. Okay, so now let's make the results as results b.split. okay, with a colon 1 and start index as 1, stop as -1. Okay, for b in results if key content in B. Okay, so let's make a try block. Try will print colon, okay, 30, and let's put a pipeline. Okay, lesson, and then we'll put the format specifier format, and then we'll put I comma results 0. Okay, so now let's make a except block for IndexError. Okay, let's print colon 30, and then pipeline, we will put format and I comma question mark. Okay, so let's run the program. So you can see the username and passwords